In this video, I'm going to show you how to view survey results in REDCap. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of them, which are the most convenient and the most used. Now, the first one is to use this record status dashboard over here on the left. So you can click on that. And there we go. Here you can see all the different responses or the records. So you can just go ahead and click on any of these like this, and then you'll be able to basically see all the data in here. You can just click on any of these circles over here, and you'll basically be able to kind of see the data and the form in here. Now, this one is empty. That's why it's not showing anything. But if the data is in here, you'll be able to then see it over here. Okay. So that's the first way to do this. Now, the second way to do this is over here on the left under applications, where it says data exports, reports, and stats. And then when you click on here, you'll be able to basically click on stats and charts over here, for example, and then that way you'll be able to see your stats for the instrument you select over here. And there we go. As you can see, you'll be able to pretty much see everything. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.